bone on bone knee arthritis. She could not bowl. She also had some foot pain. So at that time, we did the laser stem cells. 6 months later, how are you doing in your knees and your feet?
Fine. I'm almost as normal
Yeah.
as before.
Are you back to bowling?
Yes, yes. I'm bowling. I'm still improving.
Good. So how many percent better does the knee and foot feel?
Fine. I don't feel pain when I'm bowling.
Wow.
So that's great.
Yeah. Could you show me your bowling form? I want you to go to the door.
Okay. I usually have my bowling shoes on from here.
All right. And let's see your bowling form.
Well, I usually do this,
Uh-huh.
and I go that,
Yeah.
that, and
You do the 3 steps and you can
four.
Yeah, 4.
steps.
And you're bowling pain-free again.
Yeah, I don't feel pain when I'm bowling.
Wow. Well, congratulations. Looks like the program worked. All right.